What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Let me catch you up to speed here. Today we're obviously setting up the new aquarium inside the car business. If you're like, what the heck do you mean, Paul? What car business? Well, I love cars. So I decided to partner up with my buddy Chris, who already had an existing business called Jupiter Custom Wraps, and it was to do window tints, PPF, ceramic coats. 99% of the things you do with cars, besides mechanical stuff, we're gonna be doing here at the shop. You walk in, we got a little storefront here. This is the office space. So the office space has been getting renovated for the last, 18 days. We got it April 1st. It's been going on 18 days. It looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, we did the black ceiling, accent wall here, and then that's the color throughout the entire office. Now, there'll be furniture and stuff like that. That's the whole goal of having this aquarium right here. You've probably seen it in a couple of the last videos. This is going to be set up right here. I have laid some of the carpet, which is really fun to do, by the way. It's just peel and stick. It looks amazing. Let's put another one in right here. Just like that. And I've laid this carpet because we're obviously putting the fish tank right here. More on the fish tank in just a second. Tommy's on his way here. Tommy's my aquarium guy. This is the back of the shop. This looks a million times different than it did when we first got the shop. As you can see, Hector has been here doing his thing. None of this had drywall. None of that was drywall. This place is pretty large, 4,000 square feet, obviously including the front office. So we got a good amount of space. Probably fit about 12 cars back here. If you guys want to see more content on this itself and the car business, like doing what we're actually going to do, I'll leave my second channel down in the description down below. You can click it. I don't even know the name of the channel yet. It used to be my vlog channel. We've switched it now to this car channel. For all the car people out there, if you want to watch that stuff. I don't know when I'll post, I don't know how much I'll post, but just subscribe to that channel. Anyway, there's a lot of work to get done out here. It's a mess. Like, it gives me it stresses me out just looking at all that. This tank right here, I was initially going to do lionfish in it, but then I was like, saltwater, I mean, the maintenance is just a pain in the rear end. I don't want to have to deal with it. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is not at my house, so I'm not here all the time. Let's say something happens to the tank, I'm not around. It also requires Tommy to come monthly and maintain it. So I have a different idea on what we're gonna do for this tank. But first, of course, we need to get things set up over here, and then we're gonna scape it, and I want you guys to guess what we're putting in it. Hey, Tommy. Hey, Paul. Let's do it. What'd you get, some rock?
Yeah, so I got, these are small bits we'll use to smooth out the rough edges.
Wow, beautiful. Guy's a legend. If you don't remember, he actually scaped my original saltwater tank, the very first one I had in the old house, the old house, and he did a fantastic job. This is the front, by the way. It looks really good. Obviously, a lot more to get done. We literally got in this place 18 days ago and have completely turned it around. If you follow me on Snapchat, you've seen every step of the way of that. If you don't follow me, Juno Paul, follow me on Snapchat. What are you doing? Boom. Talk about a fit. My goodness, my measurements were on point. What do you think, Tommy?
It's perfect.
That is gonna look so good. The clash of the accent wall, this wall, obviously I'll have a big tint on this window. This is gonna look so sick, Cuffaro. This is gonna look awesome. First try. It's a workout, huh? This is sick though. It looks so good. Shout out to my buddy Chad Smith for hooking it up with this tank. He got rid of it and he was like, Paul, you can have it. And pretty much donated it to the car shop. So thanks so much, Chad. I know you're watching. All right, we've got everything we need to make this tank happen. It's all in the building other than the bigger rock, the main scape. So I gotta run over to the store, get the main scape. He's going to run over to his shop, see if he has a replacement piece, because in the transport, of course, it didn't go smoothly. As you can see right here, we broke off that on this side. So we have to see if we can find a replacement for that. If not, then we have bigger problems on our hands. Stay tuned. Let's go get some rock. We are here at the rock shop, and there's a lot of selections to pick from. And I know exactly which one I need. That is it right there. Dragon Aquatic, $2.50 per pound. So smash the like button, because God only knows how much I'm about to drop. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how much rock I need. I'm just kind of grabbing as we go. I love how they look like driftwood. Holy smokes, it literally looks like a piece of wood. Oh, that's a heavy, dense one though. That's probably like 15 bucks right there. All right, that's got to be enough. There's no way. All right, Now we weigh. Oh yeah. Oh, that one hurt. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. I did not expect that. That dragonstone is unbelievably overpriced. Smash the like button. Share this video with a friend. We have got all the rock back at the shop, and it's time to now scape the aquarium. You ready, Tommy?
I'm ready, let's do it.
We got it fixed, huh?
Yeah.
You had the piece?
Yep.
What a miracle.
And some ingenuity from
Redneck Dan.
Redneck Dan?
Yep. Now there's a lot of rock. I think this is more than we need, Tommy. So Tommy's actually gluing the pieces of rock together so that the scape cannot move. And after he glues the rocks together, you don't want to see this red glue, so he then covers the red glue with another piece of small chipped off rock. So you literally cannot see it. It looks just like one giant piece of scape. Scape is looking good, Tommy. Let's see the Frontosa tunnel. It literally made a tunnel for the Frontosa. But you can see that tunnel. So not only will the Frontosa probably be using that hole, the other cichlids would definitely be using it as well. It's a cichlid hole. I'm doing the best I can to get the footage, but with the warp tank, this light coming through the window, and the fact that it's not filled with water and it's a little dirty, it's very difficult to show you what Tommy has done. But it looks really, really good. There's a chunk of rock right here. It then spaces off and goes over to this side where you see in the cave. What will literally be spread from there all the way to there, there will be the text JCW written in rock. So I'm gonna pop up something that Tommy has done for someone else in the past. It'll look like that right in the middle of the tank right there. Obviously, he's not gonna do that today. He doesn't really have time, but that will be there soon. What we do have time to do, Tommy, is substrate, correct?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We got the substrate right here. We're gonna put the substrate into the tank and then get some water filling up. And I don't know how we're getting water yet. I think we need a hose.
Bucket brigade?
Bucket.
Nope.
Oh yeah. And this substrate has a little bit of sand, a little bit of gravel. It's got it all.
It's designed for African cichlids.
Amazing.
It's gonna give them the perfect pH.
Well, now you know what we're putting inside the aquarium. It is African cichlids. The cichlids from the fish building, those that are in the pond, they're getting big. There's our beautiful cichlids. And the Frontosa is out to say hello today. The African cichlid pond, all these cichlids are going to be well, at least a lot of them are going to be coming over to that tank. I just wanted to show you this is the pond that they'll be coming from. Inside the fish building, and the fish pond looks insanely clear, amazing, per usual. I mean, look at this thing. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, check it out. Yeah, we cleaned this. While Tommy was working on the scaping, we completely knocked this out. Look at that art. That is gonna be so dope right there.
It's been a while since I've done a tank setup, and after we put water in it, it started leaking.
I wish we could see it with obviously water in it and then lights above, but there's a lot more work to get done on this tank. And we're actually gonna do the next step tomorrow because it's been a long, long day. Knuckles though. Oh yeah, we're full. And the office looks a lot different than it did yesterday. Last night we were here for hours finishing up the carpet. The tank is officially full of water though. And let me tell you, it's a little foggy right now. But once we get the pump going and everything gets stirring, it'll get clear quick. We also have the lights over there. We need to hang those above the tank, but we can't hang them from all the way up there. So we have to make like little things that come out. Tommy did an amazing job. Thank you, Tommy. The goal for today was to get the tank done. The tank is done. We're gonna get the filter going here in just a second, and then lights and fish are obviously the next thing that'll happen in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed down below. And then you won't miss putting the fish into this tank, of course, and setting the lights up. Everything's done down here, got the sump. I really do love this substrate. It's got like this little pebble rock, and Tommy was telling me that this is great substrate for many reasons.
Since this is gonna be a display in your office, if there's a little bit of algae on there, we don't want it to be super noticeable, and having the different colors in there helps to hide that.
And fish poop probably too, right?
Yep.
Waste.
Yep,
yeah,
exactly.
Fish waste. Those little pebbles of rock really help hide it other than just being a solid white, which makes it super visible. I probably got a solid like $200 worth of rock left over too. It's crazy how much I got. But we're gonna need some of that, right? To make the JCW, Jupiter Custom Wraps. As you can see, filter is running, sump is going, which means the tank behind me will just continue to get clearer and clearer. I'll make sure to update you in the next video. Phone's dinging. Again, this is the car shop, so this tank is gonna be front and center. If any of you are local and you live around Palm Beach County, you want window tints, stuff like that, we'll be open next month, May. I'll obviously keep you updated. Of course, follow my Snapchat, Instagram, all the socials down linked. Oh, the lighting in here is not the greatest yet. There we go, we're focusing. We'll get there once everything's done. We'll see you in the next one, right, Tommy?
Right, Paul?
See ya. Peace. That is to scrub the glass, Gio.
Sweet.